Hello guys, welcome to CyberCrush YouTube channel. So guys, today we are in the day 15 challenge of Advent of Cyber 2025. So guys, without wasting the time, let's dive into the computer screen and start today's challenge. Guys, here I have the complete playlist of Advent of Cyber 2025. So guys, from here you can get all the updates from day 1 to day 24. And guys, you can save this playlist, you can share with your friends. And guys, subscribe to CyberCrush YouTube channel. So guys, now I'm on my TryHackMe dashboard. So let's move to AOC. And here we have the day 15 room, web attack forensic. So we can tap on this room. So now you can see here we are in the web attack forensic drone alone room. So here we have the video 1, we have the video 2, and guys, from here the story begins. Guys, here basically the story is like a DVFC drone scheduler web UI is getting strange. Long HTTP requests containing base 64 chunks and the Splunk reason alert, Apache spawn and unusual process. So guys, here we have the tags like we will use Splunk to pivot between web Apache logs and host level, that is a Sysmon telemetry. So guys, here we have the learning objectives like detect and analyze malicious web activity through Apache access and error logs, investigate OS level attackers, identify and decode suspicious or payload, and reconstruct the full attack chain using Splunk and Blue Team investigation. So here we have the connecting to machine information. So we will start the attack machine and here I will start the target machine. So guys, it's loading, so we can give a check. So guys, our attack machine is done, so we can give a enter. So guys, here we have the credential and here we have the URL, so we can copy simply from here and we'll open the Firefox and we will give a paste there. Now your username we will use it blue. Here we will paste the password and we'll sign in. So guys, now here we can simply to detect the suspicious web commands, we can copy out the code from here or paste here. Time range should be all time and we can give a search. So now here you can see we have the time, we have the web server, and here we have the client IP, URL path, and URL query also. So here you can see we have tried PowerShell.exe and some of the base 64 commands. So now we can simply move to base64.org. Now we can give a agree. So I will simply copy out this base64 text and I will paste here and we can decode. So here you can see the result. This is now mine. So in Apache error logs, to check for the command execution in Apache error log, so I will copy here and will give a paste. We can change the view list like to raw, and here you can see like you request CGI bin hello.bat in CMD PowerShell. So here we can see the same C Apache 24 CGI bin hello.bat. So now guys, we can do one thing, we can press suspicious process creation from Apache. So now we can copy the command from here and yes, simply I can give a paste and yeah, enter. So guys, here you can see like we have some value. So if I will check for the parent image, so if I will keep a parent image, so here you have the parent user and let's check for the parent image. Here you can see the result. So now time for confirming attack enumeration. Here we will copy and I will paste the command and we can give a check. So now guys, here we have some question like what is the executive data attacker attempt to run through the command injection, or here what is the recurrence executive file name. So recurrence executive file names may that we do done the privilege escalation using the whoami.exe. So we will give a check here and like what executive did the attacker attempt to run through the command injection. So for the command injection, like here I can copy. So we have the PowerShell.exe. So I will give a check. So yes guys, we did it. So now from here also I got one Advent of Cyber ticket. So now guys, we can simply move to Wareville. And guys, here you can see we have successfully completed the day 15 challenge. So guys, we have successfully completed the day 15 challenge of Advent of Cyber 2025. So guys, for more updates regarding Advent of Cyber 2025, subscribe to Cybercrust YouTube channel. Thank you.